All right, I just received this. I'm going to try to put it up on that corner. It looks like, I'm hoping that this will work. We'll find out. I'm going to take it apart and take a look and see what we think. All right, so pop that out of there. And that should be, there it is. Look at that. I think that's going to work. I just got to screw it in. Yeah, it shouldn't be too hard. All right. I've just got to put this on there. We've got wire nuts in there. Got a couple screws, and it's going to be 2 of these into the ceiling. And then we can just lock it down. I think that's going to work great. So anyway, this has this here that you can loosen and move this. And then you tighten it down just by squeezing that. And then here you've got this right here that you can move this around with. So it turns, you know, so you can point it and then you can tighten it down just like that. So I'm just gonna kind of tighten these right now just to get them out of the way because we've got to screw in on these 2 spots right here. And then we got to hook all these wires together. And we've got put those in my pocket. And then we're just gonna go out there and just put this up there and be ready to go. Oh, this goes in like this too. So you've got like a little padding thing. So we'll use that too. All right, let's do it. All right, so we've got these all exposed. All these wires are ready to go. We just gotta hook them up with these and then screw them into the ceiling. All right, let's do it. Drill. Double-barreled shotgun. Let's do this.